5, you have to give the 10 a little rest. So let's cruise over and get some foot long to it here. So this guy really likes his barrel one here. He likes it. Yeah, what year's that one? Nice. Yeah, that's a 445 Wildcat. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's torque. I'm not sure the key.
But look, I love how my Impala 65.
Yeah.
I love.
Oh
that.
yeah, I have I have that in my 64.
Isn't that just cool?
Yes, yes.
It is the coolest thing. Ever you see that? It's rare. That makes it like original. That's a
yeah.
When you have that in there, oh my goodness. I love how you get at the battery real easy.
Yeah. I like how it has Buick on the.
Yep.
Valve cover.
Nice. That's your retirement car right there, young man. Power. Nice. I like those lights. See on the back of the lights, you can usually, will tell you sometimes on the lights. Look for it, right? That's how you did the old days, you could tell. Collector. Nice. Thunderbird over there. Thunderbird, like I said. Get over here. $350 in this bad boy. Oh my goodness. Love it. I mean, great. And over here, this is a nice vehicle right here. Malibu. Top down. Nice. Iowa. Very nice. It's on SS. Still. Oh, maybe it is. Is it an SS? No. But still, it's just cool as hell. That steering wheel. This is a 64 Malibu. Nice. We'll make our way over to the hot dogs. Pop it. Or beverage. That big 4-door. What year it is, too bad. And I said, no, I have no idea. Yeah, that's a you go down to the casino down in Iowa, go down this bad boy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's just so many cars. A lot of people coming in, they'll just do one video. It's like, man, I get all that. It's kind of fun to just walk along, just show you stuff. It's kind of videos. The other ones are like scrapyard. You just start crying. You see all the other cars that they won't sell or something. So why they wouldn't? Get a bunch of cars in your driveway. No one's a buy them. Let them have it. Make a profit on, so what? South Dakota. I think that's a. Leave it over there. That's a. Might be a Nova wagon. I have no idea. Yeah, they have. Said this is the midway to the Minnesota State Fair where they should have get together for the Twins. That's where they should have the tailgating. So Iowa. this was a rarity right here. This is a rare wagon. Cool. Very nice. What do you guys think, huh? Here, this is a cool, almost a two-seater, but it's a Falcon. Not bad boy. There's this bad boy. Chev. Beautiful. Cool. It is Chevy 2. It's a Nova. I guess in Spanish it was called No Go. That's why it didn't sell. Right out of the gate, that 350s would kick some ass. Falcon. Nice.
Yeah, he was a big conspiracy person.
Hello right there. Yeah, we got over here. It's the Galaxy, I apologize. Sick. They look like Impalas, but found on road dead. Nice. 63.5. Nice. Look how big these trunks are. Yeah, pull them slowly. Like your mechanic, you get it a lot easier. Keep fingers clear, fan caution. Easy to get the battery. Things simple, the engine. 260 Falcon. 63 Ford Railline. Easy engine. Look at that. It's a beauty of this, and there's so many different kind of cars here that you can look at. So I'm gonna get probably get a Prano pup or something over there. But I'm gonna get a foot long corn dog or something. So anyways, guys, this is